Hi guys. So now I'm going to look into jump 100. If you are watching my video for the very first time and you haven't subscribed, please kindly click on the subscribe button because we are going to look into more and more instruments that we are going to analyze. So one of the members in my Telegram group asked one simple question. Guys, which one is the best time frame to analyze jump 100? I have never traded jump 100, but I think I can handle it. So now I'm going to start from the daily time frame. Daily time frame doesn't have much information, but anyways, I can put in there as support, right? A support somewhere there. Okay, and then for a daily time frame I can put in a resistance up here. Okay, so the highest resistance and the highest support. Okay, when you put in your support and resistance, you're just mostly looking for the most touch areas, right? So there you go. So from what I see, okay, looking at it now, you can see that it looks like it is selling. It was supposed to, okay, it actually came down and then it bought. You were going to buy from here, and then you sell from here, you buy from here, then from here you sell. And obviously your stop loss will be up here, and then your stop loss will be somewhere down there. So now we're looking at a sell. So jump is currently selling, people. It's selling. That's what I see from what I am currently looking at now. So if you want to sell and hold for long, I think it will sell until it hits here and then it goes back. Though I feel like the daily time frame doesn't have much information, right? So now let me just go to a 1 hour time frame. I'll just go to a 1 hour time frame and see what information it has for me. Okay, let me just go to 4 hours time frame first. Okay, 4 hours time frame. Here is what we are having on a 4 hours time frame. I'm going to put in my trend lines. Okay, that's my trend line. So we're just looking at the most touched areas for now, and then we're just going to draw in our trend line. That is a very huge false breakout over there. It's a breakout, but I think it's a false breakout. Okay, all right, can we put it like this? All right, yeah. Okay, and then I'll just put this somewhere here, maybe there. Okay, so that's our hourly 4 hours time frame, right? It's a 4 hour time frame. And then we're going going to do this and do that. Okay, so what happened is, okay, at least this one is giving us a little bit of information there. I think from coming from the back, it was a downtrend. It broke the trend and continued going down. So let's just maybe let's say it broke support. It has broken support. All right. Okay, let me put that as support and resistance, and continued going down, right? So it broke that. I mean, anybody would have expected it to, someone would have expected it to go back up, right? But then let's say you expected it to go back up, you were going to buy here, then after buying there, 1, 2, 3, okay, yeah, so you were going to buy here, and then you put your stop loss somewhere down here, so your stop loss was going to be hit. But then now that your resistance is broken, you were going to wait for it to retest, and then on retest you're going to click sell, and then it's sold, right? It's sold. And then you were going to TP, you were going to take your profit here, TP somewhere here. All right. Okay, I'm just going to delete all that. So that is your, okay, I'm just going to delete all that. Okay, so that is your other support, that is your other one. Okay, and then all right, so that's the bottom one. This bottom one, it's your major support. These middle ones are your minus. Support and resistance, support and resistance. Yes. So now this is also what you have on your daily time frame. Started from the daily time frame. So now we're looking at the 4 hours time frame. Okay. We are analyzing. Okay. So now looking at this, jump is going down. It's going down. And I believe if it doesn't break, jump is going down. If it doesn't, because it went down, went up, down, up, down, up, though it had a false break out there, and then it went down, up, right? And then it's now going down. It's an uptrend. I think it will go up again, and then it will now go down or just continue going up. If it breaks the trend, then you have your confirmation. All right. Okay. So it's now going down, and I expect it to go down. Maybe my trend line is not so it's not aligned perfectly well. So I'll just try. You don't have to make it perfect though, but then I'll just try and put my trend line like that. So I am expecting now for my jump to go up to here. Now it's not the perfect time to enter. I wouldn't enter. So I would wait for it to go and hit here, and then when it's on the trend line, I buy it when with the confirmed candle. Maybe let's say you get an amplifying candle, or you just get a hanging man down there, or you just get like many candles being rejected. You are going to buy, right? If it happens to break, your downward trend line, then you just wait for it to somehow give you a confirmation by retesting, and then it goes down. So we would expect our TP to be somewhere here, right? So that is your jump. Okay, now let's go to, okay, I can actually put another one there. So you see, so yes, this is what is going to happen. This will come down and hit here. When it hit here, and then it goes back up, it comes back and hit here, it goes back up, then it goes down. See? Yeah, so that's what I'm looking at so far. Okay, that's what I'm looking at so far. Okay, so that was my 4 hours time frame. So 4 hours is doable. So for now, you can actually wait for it to reach that support, and then when it reaches that support, that's when you can say, now I am buying. Okay, so I think you actually should be looking for buying opportunities so that you can not fall into a false breakout. So maybe just wait for it to get somewhere. Just wait for it to get somewhere here, and then you buy, or just put in a buy limit somewhere there. You see? All right, good. Let's go check into 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. Okay, it broke out from our 4 hours. Okay, from our 4 hours broke out. Then we have maybe it retested, and then you somehow bought it. You were going to make a little profit from this. Okay, I don't blame that. You were going to make a little profit from this, so you were going to buy it, right? You were going to buy. So the trend was broken, and then when it breaks, it tested the highest resistance, and then it went down. So you were going to get some profit from that buy, and then it hits the resistance, and then it started going down. So you would buy. So from here, you see it broke, and then it went like retest. There's not really a retest though, but then you would buy somewhere here, and then it goes up, you hold. When it gets there, you sell, and then you hold. Maybe you will just be moving your stop loss, right? Then when it gets somewhere there, right, you buy it again. You buy it, it goes up, you just be moving your stop loss. So it's best for you to be stopped out more than to than to, it's best for you to be stopped out than to miss out, you see. So at least you'll be stopped out in profit. You'll be stopped out in profit. So all the time frames works out very well. I think you can, like, you're actually looking for a buy now on jump. Honestly, you can actually buy if you want to take chances there. You can just buy it, because on an hour time frame, let me see what we're looking at here. Yeah, you can buy. Yeah, we're now looking at a buy. Okay, and then now let's go to 30 minutes time frame. Okay, on a 30 minutes time frame, there's not much information I can give to you, because that's the same thing. So 4 hours is usable. Let's go for 15 minutes and see what we are having on 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes. Okay, here's what we are having on 15 minutes. Formed a little trend. So every trend counts, every trend counts, every trend counts. It's up to you how much longer you want to hold. Okay, that. Sometimes it won't be perfect though. It broke that trend line and then it went down, right? And then, guys, the perfect place to buy is somewhere here. You see, like this one here. So the perfect place to buy is somewhere here. I wouldn't advise anyone to buy from here or to sell. If you have a high equity, you see, this is an uptrend, so we are looking for buying opportunities. So if you have a high equity, you can actually buy it now, and then when you buy it, then you wait for it. Actually, you can actually have some confidence here, because you see right there. So you can just buy it. It's either it turns from here or it turns from there. It might turn from there or it turns from there. All right. Yeah. So it's a buy. It's buying. It's buying. Should we go further to 5 minutes? Yes. On 5 minutes, I'm also still seeing a buy. So the best time frames to look at when you are trading jump 100, it's actually all the time frames, but then from so yes, so the best time frames to look at is 4 hour time frame, 1 hour, and then you can add up your 30 minutes and your 5 minutes and all that. So let me check something so that I can finalize my analysis. I just want to finalize my analysis and conclude that jump 100 is buying. Jump I'm just checking something on my other device. Hold on. Just want to conclude that jump 100 is buying. Jump 100. Jump 100. Yes, you have to be buying it now. So if you want to take chances, you can buy it and then you wait for it. So you can actually buy it with the lowest loss size and then you wait for it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my channel, and that is all about jump today. Then tomorrow we'll look maybe on another